Good morning, my lovely student. Welcome to your GK class. Student, today I will teach you lesson 23, that is tricky animals. Okay, now clear? Tricky animals. In this chapter, we will learn about some animals. How do they protect themselves in unusual ways? So, let's start today's topic. Lesson 23, Tricky Animals. Some animals protect themselves in unusual ways. Picture of some such animals are given below. Fill in the blanks with the correct animals in the following sentences. Okay, now first is N dash shoots out an inky liquid to hide. Now is it octopus. Octopus are sea animals famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes and 8 long arms. They live in all the world's ocean but are especially abundant in warm tropical waters. Octopus shoot an inky fluid that darkens the water, confusing the aggressors. So answer is octopus. 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 Now octopus. Second, a dash goes inside its shell. Now student, turtle. Most sea turtle species have a hard shell that helps protect them from predators. They are also very fast swimmers and are often able to evade danger. Some turtles are land turtle called tortoise can retract their forelegs and their heads and hide inside their cells. Turtles will cover themselves when a predator is nearby when they feel threatened in journal or when they need to rest. So answer is turtle. TURTLE. Okay, now turtle. Third, a dash defends itself with quills. Now student, porcupines. Porcupines are large rodents with coats of sharp and pointy spines or quills that protects them against predators. Porcupines have soft hair, but on their back, sides and tail it is usually mixed with sharp quills. These quills typically lie flat until a porcupine is threatened, then leap to attention as a pursuer detained. So answer is porcupines. PORCUPINE. Okay, now porcupines. Now fourth, a dash runs very fast. Now student, cheetah. The cheetah is large cat native to Africa and central Iran. It is the fastest land animal capable of running at 80 to 128 km per hour. So answer is cheetah. CHEETAH. Okay, now cheetah. Fifth, a dash sprays venom into its attacker's eyes. So student, a spitting cobra is any of several species of cobra that can project venom from their fangs when defending themselves. Cobras who spit venom are taught to do so as a form of defense. Although they can spit very accurately, often spitting directly in their target's eyes. Their venom is not deadly when administered this way. It causes tissue damage and at worst can result in blindness. So now answer is spitting cobra. SPITTING spitting cobra. COBRA. Okay, now spitting cobra. 6. A dash sprays a smelly liquid. So student, skunk are North and South American mammals. The animals are known for their ability to spray a liquid with a strong, unpleasant smell. Skunks have two glands, one of each side of the anus. These glands produce the skunk's spray, which is a mixture of sulfur-containing chemicals. So, student, answer is skunk. SKUNK. Okay, now clear? 7. N dash rolls up into a ball. So student, armadillo are western mammals known for their unique armor-like shell and notorious for their digging habits. Now, student, answer is armadillo. ARMADILLO. Okay, now clear? Now 8th is N dash plays dead. Student, opossum are scavengers and they often visit human homes or settlement to raid garbage cans, dumpsters and other containers. They are attracted to carrion and can often be spotted near roadkill. Student, peacock butterflies have big eye spot on their wings to frighten off predators. Now, froggy speak. The hog-nosed snake rolls over and plays dead to escape predators. It even smells dead. Sorry student, 8th is opossum. OPOSSUM. Okay, now clear? Student, today I told you about tricky animals. So I hope you all must have understood very well. Student, homework, learn lesson 23, that is tricky animals. Okay, now have a nice day. Thank you.